cleaning. Some cleaning yesterday. Intending to go away from and yeah, there's my little reverse on my YouTube channel called Daniel Punch, and go and like and subscribe to him. Unsubscribe and like, and yeah, see you guys. Peace.